My name is Alicia Newman-Lorick. I'm a fashion stylist and publisher of the blog madlychic.com. I'm here today to tell you about how to pack a skirt suit. And it's actually easier than you think. So what you want to do is start off by packing one layer on the bottom. I've actually packed a pair of jeans and a sweater on the bottom. Next, take the skirt and you want to put it sideways in your suitcase, like this. Make sure there are no wrinkles in it. And then I'm going to pack a sweater because where I'm going it's going to be a little bit cool, and another pair of pants on the other side. And then again, make sure there are no wrinkles. And then fold the skirt over. This way, even though the skirt is folded sideways, because we have another layer of clothing underneath, you won't have any wrinkles. And anyway, as soon as you get to your destination, hang up the skirt and leave it in the bathroom so the next time you shower, any small wrinkles will come out anyway. Next, I'm going to take the jacket and do the same thing. So I am going to, again, make sure that there are no wrinkles here, lay it as flat as I can, and I'm going to take this pair of jeans because I'll be there for a couple of days, so I need something casual, and this cashmere sweater that won't wrinkle, and pack it in between, and again, fold the jacket over and make sure that there are no wrinkles whatsoever, and then just fold the sleeves over. And if you want to be extra cautious, you can even pack another layer over this and then fold the sleeves over. Like this. If you pack your skirt suit in this way, you will not get any wrinkles in it whatsoever. I'm Alicia Newman-Lorick of madlychic.com, and this was How to Pack a Skirt Suit.